Every household has that one fridge magnet that seems to vanish into thin air. Despite the meticulous routines of daily life, somehow these little artifacts of nostalgia never stick around. The irony? They symbolize memories, like vacations and family gatherings, yet they seem to disappear, highlighting a magical impermanence in our lives. Perhaps it teaches us about letting go of attachments, reminding us that life is always changing. So the next time you find a random magnet in a forgotten drawer, smile. It's a little message from the universe about appreciating the moments we once cherished.